today's video, we will be unboxing and assembling the EV Rider Transport 4AF automatic folding mobility scooter. Cut the pallet straps with the scissors or something sharp and then open the box. Be aware there are staples. Remove the styrofoam. Tilt the box upwards to remove the charger box, scooter battery cover, and scooter itself. It will roll right out of the box. This is what the charger box and battery cover look like. Proceed to remove the plastic and extract your owner's manual. This little white box contains your battery charger, key fob, and keys. Start by connecting your battery. Once the battery is connected and the scooter is turned on, the back buttons, red and green, will illuminate. Now that the scooter is unfolded, install the mat using the Velcro strips. With the Velcro in place like so, put down the mat. To properly install your battery cover, move the cables down before clicking it into place. Next to the power button, you will see the charging port. Plug your charger into the wall and you will see a green light illuminate. Plug the other end of the charger into your scooter and you will notice a flashing red light, which means the scooter is charging. Your key fob comes with two keys. The red button will fold up the scooter, and the green button will unfold the scooter. After you insert the key into the ignition, the battery gauge will illuminate. Here is your lights, horn, speed dial, reverse, and forward.